Hello and welcome to day 6 of my mission to keep the nation gardening. We've moved the clock so it's lighter nights, but it is quite cold, so I'm going to talk to you about a job that you can be doing inside right now that will reap rewards come June, July and August. We've had a question from Kerry about growing tomatoes suitable for indoors or small spaces. Now she's only got some containers and a sunny balcony, so let's forward you into the future, or actually back to last June when I planted these. If you'd like to grow a tomato but you really just don't have any space, you should try this variety. It's called Tomato Little Red Tree. The leaves on it are quite crinkly, they almost look like they've been attacked by aphids, but that is how they're supposed to look. This will get to a maximum of 1 metre tall, and you can grow it in the house until it's about 30 centimetres high. Harden it off by introducing it to the outside world throughout the end of May and into June, and now at the end of June I'm going to plant it out in the garden, put in a stake which is about 1 metre tall, tie it in and just keep on harvesting those beautiful sweet little fruits. If the leaves are slightly yellow at the base of the plant, it can indicate irregular watering. Do make sure you water on a regular basis and never let the plant go dry. You also need to make sure you feed once a week with the tomato fertiliser, and that will keep the flowers and the fruits in high production. And don't forget to keep on sending me your questions at Bestall Co or reply to this video. Until tomorrow, bye bye.